Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. Two Blickies asked, are you in UAE or within Africa? My office is in Dubai. Even you can come tomorrow and meet me face to face for a discussion. No problem. This might be a question because I've got two numbers. I've got an African number and a Dubai number. The Dubai number, I use it for people from my country. I'm from Pakistan. I update WhatsApp statuses in my own language because I have a lot of Pakistani Indian people following me on WhatsApp on that number. So if I speak in my language, you won't understand. That's why I have an African number where I update my statuses in English. And all the African visa news in UAE or all around the world, whatever I hear, I always share those news on that number. If I'm giving my African number, don't think it's a scam. I'm still the same guy, but I use two numbers. So if you're an African and you want to get updates on African visas, take my African number. Believe me, you learn a lot. There are so many things which I can't say on the videos. I also update them on my status. So many screenshots are shared. Everything is shared. So if you want to learn about